Although 90% of male bikers will probably never admit this, the truth is that a motorcycle helmet is a lot like a shower. In other words, it's a great place to sing.
So you're a tough guy,
like it really rough guy.
just can't get enough guy, just always so puff guy.
It's perfect because no one can see you jamming behind a tinted visor, and no one can hear your bad voice over all the wind noise. Plus, the acoustics are brilliant inside a helmet with a lot of padding.
I'm that bad type,
Make your mama sad type.
make your girlfriend mad type,
Might seduce your dad type.
cause I'm a bad guy. Duh.
And although you could be singing the world's least manly songs, you still give off the manly image of being a biker, so no one will suspect a thing. But fun fact, the one time I was singing on the back of my dad's bike when I was probably around 8 years old. And I remember him stopping at a red light and taking a look at the bike to see if there was something wrong with it. And then he asked me if I was singing or if it was the bike making the strange sound. Needless to say, I've stuck to the shower since then. Reflective shop windows are a biker's kryptonite. We're easily distracted by our own reflection, which sounds very vain, and hence why we might not admit to doing it. But the truth is that we aren't looking at our own reflections or at how big our biker jackets make us look. We're actually 100% fixated on how brilliant our bikes look, and maybe if our gear suits the bike. I mean, look at how well this white helmet matches my bike. But the point is that we never actually get to see what our bikes look like on the move, since we're always the ones riding them. And we finally get to witness what other road users get to see when we roll past. So if you ever see a biker taking a mirror selfie in a shop window, don't judge them too harshly. If the shortest route home is in this direction, then 9 times out of 10, a biker will go in that direction. It's not that we're trying to be late or that we're trying to avoid you. It's just that we're not bored of riding yet. We're more than happy to use extra fuel or to go in the complete opposite direction to where we need to end up, if it means we get a longer ride, a nice stretch of road, or just to avoid speed bumps and traffic lights. It's the equivalent to when you hit the snooze button in the morning to get 5 more minutes of sleep. We just want 5 more miles of riding. It's probably safe to say that a lot of bikers are childish. Well, we're more like Peter Pan. We just never want to grow up.
Never have to worry about grown-up things again.
And as a result, we sometimes take advantage of our blacked out visors and pull strange faces at people without them suspecting a thing. We're not known for being discreet if we don't like you, but if you're a slow driver, a learner driver, or even if you just drive a boring car, it's easier to express our feelings for you in a way you won't even know. Riding in a t-shirt is like biker therapy. The wind rushing past, pretty much nothing between you and the elements, and no better sense of freedom. Every now and then you simply have to give in to the urge, even if you know it's not a good idea. Sometimes it's worth the risk, because after all, we accept that riding a motorcycle is dangerous every time we get on a bike, whether we have infinite gear or just a t-shirt. But of course, a good role model will deny this every time. But anyway, share this video with a friend that does one of these, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next ride.
Duh.